Most men walk through life like shadows in the fog, hollow-eyed, unanchored, breathing, yes, but not alive. They chase dopamine, not destiny. They scroll through screens hoping for direction, while the real compass lies shattered beneath their own feet. If you feel numb, broken, or empty, it's not because life has betrayed you. It's because you have not yet stood up like a man and chosen your purpose. Let us begin. 1. Embrace the pain of emptiness. Imagine a ship drifting at sea with no sail, no compass, no stars above. That ship is you without purpose. And that aching emptiness you feel? That's your soul screaming. Most run from this feeling. They hide it with noise, entertainment, women, alcohol. But a real man stands in it. He tastes it. He looks at the void inside him and refuses to accept it as permanent. That pain you feel is not the enemy. It is the guidepost, the warning bell. The only way out is through. Purpose is born in the womb of pain. You're supposed to feel lost. That's how men begin. 2. Revisit what made you feel alive as a child. Go back. Think about the moments before the world told you who to be. Before responsibility. Before money. When did your heart beat fast with wonder? What made you forget time? The child you used to be still whispers beneath the noise. But most men ignore that voice and call it immature. That's a lie. The child knew. The man forgot. The world taught you how to survive, but your purpose is what teaches you how to live. Look inward. Dig up that memory. Protect it. Nurture it. It's the spark that can light your whole future. 3. Do hard things that break you open. You won't find your purpose sitting in comfort. You won't find it in air conditioning or scrolling through life advice posts. You find it when your muscles ache, when your mind screams, and you don't quit. Walk into the fire. Suffer through something noble. Build something. Train your body. Serve something greater than yourself. Because pain plus discipline equals direction. Like iron hammered into a sword, your purpose takes shape when you break. You cannot build a life worth living without sacrifice. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel, Wired Stoic, on YouTube, and follow me on TikTok to be always reminded of becoming more stoic, masculine, and successful every day. 4. Choose a vision so big it scares you. If your goal doesn't make your heart race, it's not purpose. It's a to-do list. A man's vision must be terrifying. It must feel out of reach. It must force you to kill the weaker parts of yourself. Purpose is the mountain you climb for decades, not the hill you stroll on Sunday. The future you crave, the man you want to be, he's already waiting for you. But he's standing on top of a peak, and he's daring you to rise. Most will never even begin. But you, if you're reading this, then you must. You were not born to wander. You were born to conquer. You are not broken. You are becoming. You don't need more motivation. You need to stop lying to yourself. Stop pretending this life doesn't hurt. Of course it does. But pain is the forge. Suffering is the teacher. You are not meant to avoid the fire. You are meant to become it. Let your sadness be your reason to act. Let your loneliness be the silence in which your vision speaks. And let this moment be the one where you stop existing and begin to live with purpose.